Mike Sakey of Rovi Homes here at 102 The Laurels in Enfield, Connecticut. Come on in and check out this beautiful townhouse. On the first floor of this townhome-style condo, it features a fully updated kitchen with brand new appliances, a half bath with laundry, one car garage, and an open concept living and dining space with fireplace and back porch. Upstairs, you will find 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. As an added bonus, your lower level is finished and ready to be your next movie theater, gym, or home office. If you have any questions about this house or any other homes, give me a call at the number below.